everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video we are diving into the world of Runway, an AI powered platform for artists. So first of all we will discuss about how to create an account in Runway. First of all we have to open our Google Chrome and then to type Runway. After typing Runway, this type of website will appear. Click on it and this type of window will appear. So we will first of all we will click try Runway for free. So it is saying create an account, so we will make our account, sign in with Google. So we have to click on skip. The dashboard will appear. So he's saying choose a plan for your workspace. It is monthly and annual 20% off. So free has $0, 125 credits. So we can make only our 3 video projects, but in standard per month 625 credits, and we can make unlimited video editor projects. So we are beginners, so we will click on try for free. So he's saying my username and it is our interface, and we will click generate videos. So we can also generate images, so we will click image to image. You can do it's up to you. So I need text to image, so I will click on text to image. So this type of window will appear, and he is saying to set the resolution of our video. So 2K and 1080 pixel can be received by upgrading our account. So we will not upgrade, we will try for free. So we have 720 pixel. So describe an image you want to generate. So I want to generate, I will write Tom generated. I have write Tom Cruise in Punjabi clothes. He will sense the text and make a video. So he had done the video and image. So it is the video. We can directly download it by clicking here, and it's download, so it can show up here. So you can think how this platform can help millions of people. So it is a very good platform for artists. So we will also try this feature, generate videos. So we will text image to video. So welcome to Gen 2. We will skip on it and add an image to turn it to a video. Write a prompt to start. So we will write a prompt, and I will write to click on generate. What a detailed view. It is a very high quality video. So I can also click play on it and see. I write the prompt, a dog crying for food, and literally the detailing of this video is outstanding. So you can simply click on this, and it is a very good video. So we click on reveal prompt. So a dog crying for food. We can also rate them. Then we will try image to video, generate video with image prompts, no text in it. First we have generated a video with text prompts, and now we will generate a video with image prompts. So we will add an image, uploaded a photo to generate in a video. So I will simply click on generate. Finally our image to video is ready. So we can simply finally our image to video is ready. So we can simply click on expand and play video. Literally guys, it is amazing. So it is a very good software. So literally it was a very good software. So I will attach the software link in the description. It is free for some time, and then it will cost, and it is cost is also normal, so you can buy it if you need. And the option of generate videos in video to video we have not tried, so we will try later. And text image to video we will try now. So for example, I am writing, so I will click generate, and then your video is ready. So you can simply click on band to view it and then play. Wow, literally amazing. What a detailed view. And same as prompt, I have written a man eating pizza made by and it is same as prompt, a man eating pizza image. So there are also popular AI magic tools like remove background, remove blur, or replace video background. Our download is also ready. And text image to video we have tried, and there are also tutorials for people who don't know how to use it. Or Gen 2 inspiration, it will create a cinematic shot of any prompt you will write. There are cells dividing view through a microscope, cinematic, microscopic view, and close-up of an analog console of flight controls. So here are many options you can watch and download, and download step is very easy. So that's it. And there is a small red button below. Press it and hit the bell icon and like it and share it to your